Good morning. Today's June 10th, Friday, 2016, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. Looking at the futures, there's a little bit of profit taken on the crude oil, dropping back below 50 bucks at 49.76. But the overall theme is that they're pushing it higher to save the U.S. economy. There was a Brexit headlines, so you can see a 62 pip move on that news and the Brexit referendum. They also say the Queen supports Brexit. So we see all these headlines is affecting the market. Hang Seng dropped, Shanghai dropped a little bit, and so forth. Uber is getting fined again, and executive also were fined. Well, if you use Uber, there's really no privacy. They know where you're going. Unless you use the smaller taxi sharing companies. There's a interesting benefit from that when you don't use the largest provider that is like taxi hailing service. If you use the competitors, smaller competitors, they are not less known, so your privacy is a little bit better. Or you use a number of these guys, mix it up, so they don't know your complete picture when you use those ride sharing services. There's a price cut for the Model S to 66,000. Yeah, so they're getting more efficient now in their production, so that would lower costs. Maybe I would do another music video on Model S. Dow futures falls 100 bucks. 100 points. Today's Muhammad Ali's funeral. Well, it's not just China that wants U.S. military jet engines. There's so many other countries that wants the same thing. Yeah, the Brexit overall theme is affecting the markets. Well, you can see now my argument for the Uber arbitrage is even stronger now. There's so much funding for this one company, which I think is just a beta version of taxi hailing. Beta means that in the future they may be replaced by another company who knows all what has Uber has done. With all this technology they claim to have, the best thing that comes out is they allowed you to schedule rides 30 days in advance. As you know, the core business, the core technology is Google Maps, which anybody can use and do. So that's my argument for Uber arbitrage, where you can split now like the evaluation 30 times, and you still have each time you divide it up, you have a new company. And if you invest in maybe 5 or 6 of these companies, you still have a good company with good funding that uses Google technology for these ride-hailing apps. Alright, that's all of it. Yeah, as I had to mention, I do have Asian viewers and followers, particularly in India or Indian interests, where Modi was able to convince Amazon to increase investments by $3 billion. I did mention about the good businesses of Amazon before. I provided the links in the description that I made, and I also mentioned previously that there's a slowing economies of India. So I do also have Chinese followers that's interested in robotics. I also provide the links to my music videos of supercars that uses robotics manufacturing, particularly in Tesla videos, which I also provided in the description in previous long ago previous commentaries on business headlines. So I'm glad that I have Chinese interest viewers and followers, and also India interest followers and viewers. I'm glad my attention has grown and my influence has grown. I thank you for valuing my insights and views, and I will continue on doing so. If you are a new viewer, and please do subscribe, share, and like my videos. Thank you for your support. Today's June 10th, Friday, 2016.